Hello and welcome to the Value Surfer. My name is Gitanjali and I'm very excited today to be launching a new channel which is going to be all about investing and especially investing in stocks for the individual investor and for beginners. I have found myself as an individual investor who is completely self-taught that there is a lot of great information, great resources, and great tools out there that one can use to educate oneself to become a good investor and to invest your own money wisely. However, there's so much information that sometimes it's hard to pare it down into what is useful for you. And so I'm going to try and make a series of videos which is going to be very simple, very much how to do step A, B, C to help you start thinking about how you can invest your money and how you can do the research you need to do for that. So my first video today is going to be how do you open up a brokerage account? The first step you need to think about before you start investing. So I hope you find this video useful. Please do let me know what you thought in the comment section below, or if you have any questions, please feel free to ask and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Also, do check out my website, www.thevaluesurfer.com, for more analysis and information by me. Also, please subscribe to this channel if you would like to get alerts for new videos in the future. Have a great day. Bye-bye. So here are two brokerage websites where you can easily trade online, Fidelity and TradeKing. Of course, there are many other options. I'm just going to show you one of these for an example. So as you can see in the Fidelity website, there are a range of investment products. We're going to look at stocks today. So I just clicked on stocks. And here there's an open an account button. So that's what you need to do to open a brokerage account, which can help you to start trading. And it's pretty simple. All the information is easily given on the websites for all of these different brokerage companies. Here you can see this is a brokerage account that you need to open. So you just go to open online. And this is so you can trade in stocks again. It's going to ask you a few standard questions. You just answer those, pick out the right option, and then just fill out your information. And depending on the brokerage company you go with, you may or may not have an account minimum, a dollar amount that you need to maintain in that account. So that's all information that you can find easily as you read more about it on each of their websites. So you can compare which one you want. So here we're going to look at stock trading, and as you can see, there are online trading, mobile trading options, everything's available. You can easily look up stocks. So here I'm just going to look up Costco as an example. And it's really easy to do that on the website. It gives you a whole bunch of information on any stock you're interested in. So there we go. It's showing you the price chart. It's showing you the daily high, low, all kinds of information on the company. And also there are other tools like, research from analysts, etc. that's also available on these websites. So you can get that information right here on the brokerage website. And again, you could do this on any other website. Fidelity here is just, I'm using it only for an example. You could go to any one of those and you'll get a bunch of information, similar information. So this is one way of doing it. Another kind of cool feature that I found on this website is if you go to trading, you can get information on their commission and margin rates. I think it's $7.95 per trade on Fidelity. I believe it's $4.95 on TradeKing, and there are different. There's like a range, a narrow range of prices, and here it even compares to some of the other direct competitors what features and what prices per trade are available. So you can definitely shop around. There are a lot of options that you can shop around. Depending on how frequently you trade, a different price range might work out better. Okay, so moving forward, we're going to look at another nice tool that the Fidelity website has to offer, and this is an interactive tour. So if you wanted to find out more about the different features that they offer on the website and different tools to help you trade, you can take this online tour as well. So that's a nice little extra helpful feature. Okay, so we are going to go back and take a look at a stock screener. So this is another neat little tool because what it does is if you don't want to go to a lot of different websites to screen out stocks based on the criteria that you want, then you can do it right here while you're already logged in and trying to trade. So I'm going to filter by sector, for example. So I'm filtering and I'm saying, let's say it's not finance. So you can see over here the results are narrowing down by search. And then there are different criteria available. So PE, for example. So I can say PE is less than or equal to, and I can enter whatever value I want. I'm going to enter 15 for an example. And you can see that my results have been narrowed down. These are still too many to display on this page. But another thing you can do is pick out one of their predetermined screens. That saves you the work of having to filter out by all these various criteria. And in this, you can see that the search result gave me only 4. I picked one just to show you what you can do. Say you want to trade. This is what you do. You click, you trade, and then once you have your username and your password set up, you can log into your account. And depending on the amount of money you have in there and what you want to do, you can pick out, how you want to trade. And similarly, this is TradeKing's website. It's another brokerage company that you have an option of looking at. You can look at the pricing here. Again, they will also give you comparisons to different competitors, and you can pick out. So you just want to be sure that you look at all the different features and not just at the absolute difference in price, because it depends. If you want to trade heavily, then one might work out better than the other for you. And then again, similarly on TradeKing as well, you can see there are a lot of different resources available. There's a lot of good information research available through the Trader Network where people exchange ideas, and there are different research tools. So you can learn more about the stocks as you think about investing in those companies as well. Again, opening an account is simple. You just click on Open an Account button and you enter in the information that they ask for. As you continue along, it'll prompt you to enter the right information that they need, and you will be all set to go. And another thing is, as you trade, of course, you can set different limits, whether you want the trade to execute within a certain time frame, whether you want it to execute only at a certain price range. There are all different options that are available on these websites. And of course, the options also, how you can limit your trade also differs from brokerage firm to brokerage firm. So it's another good thing to compare besides only price. And again, here it's pretty simple to log in and open an account in any of these. Like I said, there may or may not be a dollar amount minimum. I believe Fidelity does have a dollar amount minimum, but I'm not sure if all the others do or what the difference is. That's easy to find on their websites as well. So here we go. This is all you need to know.